Okay, day 52 of me documenting myself a trade with Apex, and this is my new funded account. Yay! And I've made over $400 today. I'm pretty sure I'm done trading for the day. Let me try to do my best to explain this trade. 8:30 happens and we just basically dump. We had unemployment claims and they were not great, the numbers, but it wasn't worse than the forecast. So I was leaning slightly like bearish, but I knew I wasn't probably going to want to be bearish the whole day. So I just kind of watch for a little bit. There's a 30-minute high, basically the high of the 8:30 candle on the 3-minute chart. That was it. This is MNQ, by the way. And so here's what happened, right? I'm watching price dump really fast. On the RSI on the 3-minute, it starts screaming, as you can see down here, burning lava, fire red. And on the 15-minute chart, it did the same thing. So I missed this. I was planning on trying to take a little long and miss this while they were both super red. I just kind of watched it play out, and then it comes down again. And this time it wasn't burning lava red on the 3-minute or the 15-minute, which was like, to me, it told me, okay, this could come lower. Also, we fell underneath and closed underneath the hourly 50 EMA. So at that point, I'm really like thinking, okay, I definitely want to go short if I can't catch a long. I missed this right here. I was planning on taking this little hammer candle while we came low here on the RSI on the 3-minute and 15. I had it like something like this. Let me show you. Stop below the low of that hammer. So that would have been a cool little trade, but like just riding it back up to the hourly 50 EMA. But more than likely, I would have not had a nice win because I would have probably tried to leave a runner and I would have gotten stopped out. So there's that, right? So I missed that. I'm like, oh, that kind of sucks. So now I'm wondering, okay, I want to see if we're going to hold below that hourly 50 EMA, or if I told myself, if we get a bear candle opening and closing above this 10 EMA right here, I was trying to, think, okay, maybe I should go long because the bulls can maybe step up and flip price up over again over the 50 EMA on the hourly chart. But what I did was I said, you know what? I don't like that. The stop was too crazy for me to want to do that. And once we got this inverted hammer candle, I said, I'm gonna go short really quick. And what I was eyeing and what I noticed, I also have these little Bollinger Bands, which I really like. And let's see, go back. So as we're up here on this 15-minute chart, I noticed the bottom of the Bollinger Band, like we're quite extended from the bottom at this point. And it was looking the same way on the 3-minute. So to be honest with you, if you see this little green line, that's where I wanted to hold to. And so yeah, just basically played this inverted hammer to, for a price to go a little bit lower to kind of catch back up or to tap the bottom of the Bollinger Band right here on the 15-minute chart. So I made the call to not do a 10 EMA play, which I'm really glad I didn't. This bear candle comes down pretty hard. I got a little nervous because it was coming down so fast, so I exited basically 2 contracts around just right here, 1.17R. And then I just let it, I tried to walk away and I just put basically the last take profit near the Bollinger Band I was talking about, the bottom of it, but I couldn't hold. I couldn't hold. At that point, I got back in front of the computer, and on this particular candle, as it was coming down, it was slowing down, and it was like trying to go up, and I got a little nervous, so I just basically got out. So couldn't hold all the way down here, which is not too bad, and just got out. And I also didn't want this win to be super huge because of the whole 30% consistency rule thing. And I just walked away. I sort of thought about thinking, okay, well, what if I go long? You know, since we're at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, we're low on the RSI on the 15-minute and the 3-minute. It's not burning lava red, but low enough for me to want to go long. But I walked away and didn't see all of this. And we actually put in a little double bottom right here, which is cool. So I would think maybe price will come back and retest this area. And maybe that could be, you know, it could bounce. Anyways, that's the trade. Kind of hard explaining that. Like, there's so many different things going on through my head as I'm watching, you know, the candles form, and constantly going back and forth from, should I go long? Should I go short? I tried to go, or I wanted to go long 2 times and missed them. And so at that point, I'm like, oh, you know, what should I do? The risk to reward or the stop loss I would have needed to had to do the 10 EMA play was just too large to me. So, and like I said, because we were away from the bottom of that Bollinger Band, I thought we could at least go down to it. And that was the reason basically for the trade. I hope this makes sense. So far, so good. We'll see if I can last 8 trading days without blowing this account and also hitting the profit target I need to be able to request my first payout. That, even just hearing me say that, like, sounds crazy. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you've made it this far in this video, like, you deserve something, like a cookie or something, because I know I'm at the point where I'm kind of bad at articulating just my trades and my thoughts for whatever reason. Anyways, that's it. Talk to you later. Or not talk to you later, but I'll see you on the next one.